Yeah. It's 2015, 2016. I'm looking around. I'm thinking about my ancestors and wondering where we lost our way. You know, they used to do things on their own. They relied on nothing but their own power and the power from the Creator. You know, you got the power to do exactly what they used to do. You believe in yourself? You'll see. As I pick up the pen, you know I'm wondering when the lies will end and the trust will begin. You change your thoughts and you change your life and you change your story and leave your past behind. If you want more, you gotta become more. If you want love, you gotta be love. Seek what's above and not what's below. Grab your paddle, bro, and pull hard and grow. Believe in yourself, you got what it takes. Believe in yourself, you got the power to create. Believe in yourself, you gotta play tall. Can anybody hear me? Hey y'all. It starts with your feelings, it starts with your mind. To believe you can rewind and delete the ground. In the matter of time, you start to see different lenses to see the person you want to be. You deserve good things, you deserve the best. You come from a child who passed test after test. Ask yourself one question: who am I becoming? A leader, a chief, or am I afraid and running? Believe in yourself, you got what it takes. Believe in yourself, you got the power to create. Believe in yourself, you gotta play tall. Can anybody hear me? Hey y'all, is anybody listening? Does anybody care about their own lives, about the ones that's here? An attitude of gratitude, you must give thanks to the Creator above, the one source that makes. Make use of the teachings, protect your thoughts from the toxic energy that cuts you to your knees. It's the day you must seize, you must make it count. Be in it to win and make your ancestors proud. Believe in yourself, you got what it takes. Believe in yourself, you got the power to create. Believe in yourself, you gotta play tall. Can anybody hear me? Hey y'all. The decisions you make, the choices are made. From the things that you read to the hand that you play. From moment to moment, you're the one in control. You're the one who got you in that stinking hole. What do you honor and what do you respect? Do you use your heart? Use your gut to detect those who use you like a pawn, eat you up like a zombie from dusk till dawn. Believe in yourself, you got what it takes. Believe in yourself, you got the power to create. Believe in yourself, you gotta play tall. Can anybody hear me? Hey y'all. Who told you the trash and why do you agree? Do you wanna live a life that's happy and free? You handle your feelings, the more you'll see. Connect to your center and feel the breeze. Is your glass half empty or your glass half full? What's your big life's mission? Are you in control? What do you fear? And why do you doubt? Emotions are reaction to what life's about. Believe in yourself, you got what it takes. Believe in yourself, you got the power to create. Believe in yourself, you gotta play tall. Can anybody hear me? Hey y'all. Most that you worry about will never happen. You find your passion, quit your broke ass napping. Practice self-love and treat yourself right. Just remember, nothing good happens at 3 at night. Believe in yourself, you got what it takes. Believe in yourself, you got the power to create. Believe in yourself, you gotta play tall. Can anybody hear me? Hey y'all. Believe in yourself, you got what it takes. 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 Yeah. You got the power. It's all up to you. It's all between your ears. How you gonna handle your life?
Hey y'all.
Remember, thoughts are things. Remember, when your thoughts turn into beliefs, they turn into the lifestyle that you live in. You can do this on your own. You got this.